Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll demonstrate how to connect your Phantom wallet to BullX step by step. So let's get started. So the step 1 is you have to go to the official Phantom wallet website, then download the browser extension compatible with Chrome, Firefox or Microsoft. Just download it to your Chrome extension. You have to tap on to download and download for Chrome. So that's it. Now let's move forward to the next step, which is that if you open the Phantom wallet extension, you have to log into it. Log into your Phantom wallet using your credential. Make sure you are connected to the correct network like Solana or Ethereum, depending on what BullX supports. Now let's move forward to the step 3. If you don't have BullX account, you have to create one. So visit the BullX website, sign up for a new account. If you already have one, just log in. So once logged in, go to your account settings or find the deposit or wallet section on BullX. This is where you will connect your Phantom wallet. When prompted to connect a wallet, choose Phantom wallet from the list. If Phantom is not listed directly, check if BullX supports Solana or the network you are using with. Now you have to approve the connection. A pop-up from Phantom wallet will appear. Review the connection request. Click connect to approve or to authorize BullX interact with your wallet. Now you have to deposit or withdraw via Phantom. You can deposit, withdraw or trade tokens using Phantom wallet. Follow BullX specific instruction for transferring assets. You will use Phantom to sign and confirm transaction. So that's it. And once connected, track your balances, deposits and trades directly on BullX. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.